In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear Instagram search history. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Instagram app, and now there let's use a search to find something. For that, all I have to do is click on that search icon, and there at the search bar I can hit on it and there look for something and hit on search. Now if I hit on search again, I got not here but there. I got here all my search result, that's my recent searches, and to delete that searches I can hit there on that cross icon to delete one single recent search result, or I can hit there on see all and there hit on clear all and confirm it. Now there are no more search history on Instagram, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.